So we really finna do this shit? We finna risk our lives to rob some motherfucking government killers again?
Yep. Hey. All right.
So,
Listen up. Here's the plan. All right, Trevor.
Yeah?
I want you in this position up here. Okay, you're on lookout. Give me a heads up when the armored car comes by.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna be right here, in the garbage truck blocking the roadway. Franklin, you're in the alley, in a tow truck. Hope is they pull right up in front of you. When they do, you come at them hard. Bam.
Shit, here's hoping.
Yeah, after the hit, we blast open the doors, grab up all the cash, bonds, whatever it is, I take it to Haynes' guy.
Saw a little hopeful, homie.
As long as I am not on the ground when the shit goes down, okay?
When the shit goes down, we'll handle it. You stay up here, on your post, eyes peeled.
Yeah.
Okay? We'll take the risk. Sound cool?
Shit, you the professional, dawg.
And at least we're not wearing clown outfits. There's a plus.
Right, the masks.
What?
Let's see what we got here. Huh?
Real professional.
Let's do this. Let's go, let's go. All right, T, I'm in position. What's the ETA?
Where are they? There they are, incoming. Get ready to do your thing. All right, Mike, move it.
Get the truck in position. Block both lanes of traffic. Just stop the truck and keep it stationary.
I'm stopped. You're on, F.
Sanitation aren't meant to be here today.
Ramming speed, bitch! We got contact!
All right, make it happen. Plant the sticky bomb.
Okay, okay!
Don't stand. Everyone out! Let's go! Oh, on the ground now! Move it!
My fucking ears! I'm fucking deaf, you complete prick!
Clean out the van, I got the guard.
The alarm's been tripped. The cops will be...
Ladies, get the fuck out of here!
I saw that, man. Ice cold.
Sounds like they coming in numbers, homie.
They got a panic button, all right. Whole lot of cops on the way.
F, getting covered by those barriers. I'm going up here. Shit, we ain't gonna clear the area. All right, hold the top. Take the play when we steal window.
Hey, this gonna be a nasty motherfucker, man. Look out behind! Cops coming from out the alley on the left!
You don't plug that alley. You're gonna get overrun.
Hold your nerve. We put these guys down, clear the area.
Just hold on. just to the right. You got to take him out, T.
Shooter one is down.
Damn, man, you a cold motherfucker, dog.
There goes the second shooter. Rooftop is clear of shooters.
They're coming from the left. Bitches all over the place. There's a sniper in the chopper. You better look out.
I'd stay out of my line of fire.
Take out the chopper. Sniper in the chopper, T. He's gotta go, man. Do it. Nice shot. Hey, thanks.
They're thinning out. This could be our chance to go. I'll deliver the bonds. F, you dump the trash truck.
If the government don't need me no more.
Woo, shit, all right, man. You stay safe.
Everything cool?
Yeah, man, shit, that trash truck is trash, dog. You good?
Nice work. I'm about to meet this guy. I'll tell you how it goes. Got a package for Devin Weston.
Package for Mr. Weston? Come on.
Yeah, and I'm telling you that I don't give a flying fuck. There you go, there you go. Boom! So long, motherfucker! Devin Weston.
Yeah, I remember you. The weekend interrogator. Invest wisely.
Hey, hold on. We're not done here yet. I got a job for you, bro. 5 top quality scores, big ticket cars, major payday, bro.
Sounds great. I got just the guy for you. I'll put you in touch.
No. I don't want just some dude. I want you. I want your crew. I want pros on this.
I don't give a fuck what you want, pencil neck. I'll let him know you're interested.
I guess I just got you figured wrong, man.
Hey, what's the figure?
Tell me something. You like football? I got a stake in a sports investment venture. You like the market? I got some funds you can manage. Name your poison, man.
I just like sitting around watching old movies.
Oh, there we go. How about I hook you up with Solomon Richards?
Bullshit. Solomon Richards, the movie producer?
He's retiring, man, and I'm doing a finance deal for his studio. I will make the connect just as soon as you...
All right. Oh, man. Solomon Richards. Have a good one, boys.